Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the connection now. First, make sure both the Fire TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Mismatched networks block discovery. On Fire TV, open Settings, go to Display and Sounds and enable Display Mirroring. This advertises the receiver. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast. On iPhone, use an AirPlay-compatible app since Fire TV doesn't natively support AirPlay. Once done, keep both screens awake so the devices can find each other without timeouts. Now select the Fire TV from your phone's cast or screen mirroring list. You should see the Fire TV name come up within seconds. When prompted, accept pairing on both devices or enter the PIN shown on the TV. This prevents accidental connections and secures the stream. If discovery fails, try turning off mobile data and use Wi-Fi Direct from the phone's cast settings as a fallback, because it bypasses some router restrictions. Make sure no VPN or strict firewall is active. They often block the necessary ports. Finish by confirming audio and video sync. If the image is cropped or rotated, adjust orientation and resolution on your phone or app. To end the session, stop casting from your phone or press home on the Fire TV remote. If you encounter lag, stuttering, or the device never appears, restart the phone, Fire TV, and router to clear network states. That simple reset resolves most issues. One key troubleshooting tip: disable VPNs and close heavy background apps. These often cause discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.